Hi, my name is Gopinath. I have developed this trends summarize application. The application is primarily intended to provide a summary of tweet, typically a tweet summary on a hourly basis for last 7 days. The idea behind is to compare the different keywords, how their volume of tweets have been, and then put it as a graph on a UI. It's a simple UI which keeps rotating on a hourly basis what was the tweet for every 2 seconds. Every 2 seconds it picks the next hour and then renders the graph. And this helps in um, gauging the political mood in particular place in terms of Twitter trend. The functionalities which I try to utilize as part of this application is Quarkus framework itself, along with Quarkus REST client and Quarkus scheduler with Hibernate ORM, and I have utilized Quarkus JDBC H2 as an embedded in-memory database. Um, the application has three main pieces. One, the scheduler which captures the Twitter trends on a hourly basis and loads it into the database, and another scheduler which purges older tweet trends which are older than 7 days, and then the second piece is a web service that responds back with whatever is available in database in terms of Twitter trends for an on hourly basis, and then the UI which renders the HTML page with D3 graph on it. Actually, this application has been deployed on AWS Fargate instance as a Fargate instance, and it is available, and its memory utilization has been exceptional. It utilizes 20% of the 256 MB RAM which has been allocated, and its CPU utilization has been minimal.